baba. Here, pull the ribbon, pull the ribbon. Let's open it. Open it. Why do you have your hand in your mouth? Come on. I will just pull the ribbon myself. Okay, Kuya. You move here, Kuya. I can see your face from your hair. There's lots of hair. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
My ribbon.
Okay, what are this? What's this? Wow, it's rich fruit cider cake. Yay! Okay, let's put it here. And what's this?
Chocolate.
Butler's chocolate.
Chocolate.
Mga chocolate. Ito, ano to? What's this one? Soda bread. Toast. You like
Mine.
this?
Mine.
Okay, that's yours. Oh, by the way, there's a card here. So we have a card here. My Christmas hamper is from Grand Thornton. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Grand Thornton. Christmas is a little different this year, but we hope you can still safely enjoy some time off with friends and family. Hopefully we can meet up in person next year. Stay safe. From the Audit and Assurance team at Grand Thornton. Thank you so much to the Audit and Assurance team headed by Stephen Murray, their partner, Jerry Ann, the director, and Hazel, their manager. Thank you and Merry Christmas to all of you. Go back to the sweets. Cartwright and Butler. It's a sea salt podge. Do you like this? Okay. And what's this one? It's a
It's a
family
perfume.
luxury.
I think
Oh,
it's
it's
a
on the
perfume.
candle. Smell it, Baba.
Oh,
Mm.
it's a perfume.
Can you smell it? Good. It's a candle. You're not supposed to eat it. Okay.
It is food.
What's this one? Popcorn! Yay! Okay, that's yours. Okay, you can keep it.
Thank you.
And this is a calming coloring. Woohoo! You like this, Papa?
No.
No?
This.
Everything is for you. A coloring pencil. Oh, that's for you. Okay, what's this one? It's a Christmas mince pie. Yay! This is for Baba. For you? Yes, it's a heart. Look. It's heart. Yeah, that's correct, Baba. It's a heart. What's this one? It's a all butter Irish shortbread. What's the shape of this, Baba girl? Isabella, what's the shape of this?
Why are you running?
Circle! Very good talaga. Oh, and what's this one? Make your own hot chocolate. Serve 5 cups. Yay! Wala, nag-baby shark na siya dun, oh. Oh, what's this, Baba? Look, what's this one? It's a spice ginger biscuit. And it's Lily O'Brien creamy and sea salt. What's this, Baba girl? Do you like this? Do you like this? Ay, she's scared. She just wants to do baby shark. And this one, dark chocolate. Ah, that's for Kuya.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's for you. And this one is a hand sanitizer. Clean hands. So you can bring that to school. What's this one? It's enriching hand cream. Oh, I can have this. And I think this is for me and Daddy. Ta-da!
It's a clown.
Okay, this one. Cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers. Are there more? And look at this, Baba girl! Do you want it, Sisi?
Lala, do you want it, sissy? You
here. So that's everything. Thank you very much, Grant Thornton, Audit and Assurance Team. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Siya, kabit natin yung sa robot. Yes, Kuya Robot.
Cut out my sleeve first.
No, you don't have to. There you go. Okay, that's everything in my Christmas hamper. Excuse me. We're doing a vlog here, Isabella. Come here, sit down here. Sit down with mommy. Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching.
Thank
Hi.
you for watching and thank you for the gift.
Yes. Come on, Isabella, here. Sit down with me.
Thank you for the marshmallows.
Come on. Come on, baby. Sit down, baby. You want chocolate? Do you want chocolate? Sit down here. Sit down here. Sit down here. Oh, yeah. Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate, pero sometimes they say it will actually, they say chocolate. Chocolate. Is that
Chocolate.
chocolate? Yay! Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Mwah, good girl. Okay. Oh my goodness, what are my kids doing?
Yes, they're doing yes.
Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Thank
Also
you.
share.
Bye.
Share as well.
Hamper, Christmas hamper is this box.
Box of ribbon.
Yes, it's a box with